Welcome to our channel. Are you searching for the ultimate foam cannon to elevate your car detailing game? Look no further. In today's video, we'll dive into the top contenders and help you find the best foam cannon to achieve that professional grade foam and shine. Whether you are a car enthusiast or a detailing pro, we have got you covered. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we are introducing the Tool Daily Foam Cannon with 1x4-inch quick connector, your ultimate solution for achieving showroom-worthy car detailing results effortlessly. Engineered with precision and designed for convenience, this foam cannon is a game-changer for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a robust construction and a 1x4-inch quick connector, it ensures easy attachment to most pressure washers, saving you time and effort during setup. Its adjustable foam concentration dial allows you to customize the foam thickness according to your preference, providing unparalleled versatility for various detailing tasks. Experience unmatched effectiveness as the Tool Daily Foam Cannon generates thick, clinging foam that effortlessly removes dirt, grime and debris from your vehicle's surface, leaving behind a lustrous shine. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing and hello to a quicker, more efficient detailing process. Built to last, this foam cannon boasts exceptional durability, constructed from high-quality materials that withstands the rises of regular use. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling even during extended detailing sessions. Best of all, the Tool Daily Foam Cannon offers outstanding value for its price, delivering professional-grade results without breaking the bank. Elevate your car detailing game today with the Tool Daily Foam Cannon, your go-to companion for achieving the ultimate shine. At number 2, we are introducing the McKillans Short Pressure Washer Gun with Swivel, your perfect companion for efficient and effective car detailing. Crafted with precision and designed for convenience, this pressure washer gun is engineered to streamline your cleaning process and elevate your detailing game. Featuring a compact and ergonomic design, this pressure washer gun is comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended detailing sessions. The swivel feature adds extra flexibility, allowing you to reach tight spaces and angles with ease, ensuring no spot on your vehicle goes untouched. Equipped with compatibility for foam cannons, this pressure washer gun enhances foam application, delivering thick, clinging foam that effortlessly lifts dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface. Say goodbye to tedious hand scrubbing and hello to faster, more efficient detailing experience. Constructed from high-quality materials, the McKillans Short Pressure Washer Gun is built to last, withstanding the rises of regular use without compromising on performance. Plus, its affordable price point makes it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals, offering exceptional value for money. Upgrade your car detailing arsenal today with the McKillans Short Pressure Washer Gun with Swivel and experience the difference it makes in achieving a showroom-worthy shine for your vehicle. Next up at number 3, we are introducing the Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon, your ultimate solution for achieving professional-level car detailing results with ease. Engineered with precision and designed for convenience, this pressure washer gun is a game-changer for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a compact and ergonomic design, this pressure washer gun is comfortable to hold and maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended detailing sessions. The included foam cannon attachment enhances foam application, delivering thick, clinging foam that effortlessly lifts dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun is built to last, ensuring long-term durability and reliable performance. Plus, its affordable price point makes it accessible to all, offering exceptional value for money without compromising on quality. Whether you are a beginner looking to elevate your car detailing game or a seasoned professional in need of a reliable tool, the Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon is the perfect choice. Upgrade your car detailing arsenal today and experience the difference it makes in achieving a showroom-worthy shine for your vehicle. At number 4 position, we are introducing the GDHXW X887 High Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon, your ultimate solution for achieving professional-grade car detailing results effortlessly. Engineered with precision and designed for convenience, this pressure washer gun is a must-have for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a sleek and ergonomic design, the GDHXW X887 high-pressure washer gun offers comfortable handling and maneuverability, reducing fatigue during extended detailing sessions. With its included foam cannon attachment and 2 adapters, it ensures versatile foam application, delivering thick, clinging foam that effectively removes dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface. Crafted from premium materials, this pressure washer gun is built to withstand the rises of regular use, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliable performance. Additionally, with 7 pressure washer nozzles included, you have the flexibility to tackle various cleaning tasks with ease. Despite its professional-grade features, the GDHXW X887 high-pressure washer gun is affordably priced, offering exceptional value for money without compromising on quality. Elevate your car detailing game today with the GDHXW X887 high-pressure washer gun and experience the difference it makes in achieving a showroom-worthy shine for your vehicle. At number 5 position, revolutionize your car washing experience with the Ontel Carwash Cannon Foam Blaster Nozzle Gun. Engineered for efficiency and designed for versatility, this foam blaster is your go-to tool for achieving sparkling clean vehicles effortlessly. With its ergonomic design and comfortable grip, the Ontel Carwash Cannon ensures easy handling and reduces fatigue during extended car washing sessions. Equipped with 5 spray settings, including a powerful foam option, it offers customizable cleaning solution for cars, trucks, boats, and more. Experience unmatched effectiveness as the foam blaster generates thick, clinging foam that lifts dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface, leaving behind a streak-free shine. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing and hello to a quicker, more efficient cleaning process. Crafted from durable materials, the Ontel Carwash Cannon is built to last, withstanding the rises of regular use without compromising performance. Plus, its affordable price point makes it accessible to all, offering exceptional value for money. Upgrade your car washing routine today with the Ontel Carwash Cannon Foam Blaster Nozzle Gun and discover the convenience of professional quality cleaning at your fingertips. Next up at number 6, we are introducing the TriNova Foam Cannon for Pressure Washer. Original wide neck, your ultimate tool for achieving professional level car detailing results effortlessly. Engineered for excellence and designed for convenience, this foam cannon is a must-have for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a wide neck design, the TriNova Foam Cannon ensures the easy feeling and cleaning, making it a breeze to use for all your car washing needs. With its adjustable foam thickness, you can customize the foam density according to your preference, ensuring optimal cleaning power for every job. Experience unparalleled effectiveness as the TriNova Foam Cannon generates thick, clinging foam that effortlessly lifts dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface, leaving behind a lustrous shine. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing and hello to a quicker, more efficient detailing process. Crafted from high-quality materials, this foam cannon is built to last, withstanding the rises of regular use without compromising performance. Plus, its affordable price point makes it accessible to all, offering exceptional value for money. Upgrade your car detailing arsenal today with the TriNova Foam Cannon from Pressure Washer Original Wide Neck and experience the difference it makes in achieving showroom-worthy results with every wash. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we are introducing the Chemical Guys EQP402 Snubby Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon Attachment. Your ultimate solution for achieving professional-level car detailing results with ease. Engineered for excellence and designed with precision, this pressure washer gun and foam cannon attachment combo is a game-changer for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a compact and ergonomic design, the Snubby pressure washer gun offers comfortable handling and easy maneuverability, reducing fatigue during extended detailing sessions. The foam cannon attachment enhances foam application, delivering thick, clinging foam that effortlessly lifts dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface, ensuring a streak-free shine. Experience unmatched effectiveness as the Snubby pressure washer gun generates powerful water pressure combined with dense foam to blast away even the toughest stains and debris. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing and hello to a quicker, more efficient detailing process. Crafted from durable materials, this pressure washer gun and foam cannon attachment are built to withstand the rises of regular use, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliable performance. Plus, its affordable price point offers exceptional value for money, making it accessible to all car enthusiasts. Upgrade your car detailing arsenal today with the Chemical Guys EQP402 Snubby pressure washer gun with foam cannon attachment and experience the difference it makes in achieving showroom-worthy results with every wash. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect foam cannon for your needs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert tips and product reviews. Keep those cars shining and we'll see you in the next video.